Hey, what's up everybody? It's Ryan again. Thanks for tuning in for another video. Obviously we're changing it up a little bit with this one because you can see right behind me we're standing inside my little home arcade slash office video editing work area. I'm really excited to share this one with you. About a year ago my wife and I were walking through Target and I saw one of these machines and I remember saying to her, man, if they only made it in this game, I would buy it right now. So fast forward a year later, 2019, and lo and behold, what game do they come out with? Exactly what I told my wife I wanted. Now this game has a lot of sentimental value to me. I remember as a young kid riding my bike every chance I had down to our local bowling alley, and I played the very first version of this game obsessively. I learned all the moves, and the big one for me was when they came out with version 2. I had a great childhood friend, and we would both ride our bikes down to our local grocery store. At the time it was a Smith's, and we would sit there and the game was so popular, it was so crowded, we would line our quarters up across the machine. It's funny, my wife was never really into video gaming, so she thinks that's the oddest thing, but it was just something we did. We were really obsessed with it, so let's just get right to it. What game am I talking about? Mortal Kombat, right here. So this Mortal Kombat is manufactured by a newer company on the market. It's called Arcade1up, and this is obviously the Mortal Kombat version. It comes with Mortal Kombat 1, Mortal Kombat 2, and Mortal Kombat 3. This item retails for $2.99, and it's exclusively sold through Walmart. So if you're interested in getting one, you're going to have to go down to Walmart. And I'll just give you fair warning, if you check online, it might say they're in stock, and you get to the Walmart, they're not going to have any out on display, at least at the local Walmarts I went to. You just have to ask one of the employees to go in the back and grab one for you. Now the funny thing is, once I got the Mortal Kombat and I put it in my shopping cart, I couldn't even get up to the cash register without 2 employees stopping me and drooling all over it. They didn't even know they sold these things. So super iconic game. I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I'm going to move this out into the shop. I'm going to put it together, and then I'm going to make a part 2 to this video, and I'm actually going to go over and do a quick review on it. If you guys are into pinball and you want to know a lot more about pinball, I'm going to put a link down below to one of my best friends' YouTube channel. It's called The Brotherhood of Pinball. It's a great channel. It has a lot of information on how to do modifications and repairs to your pinball machine. So it's a great channel. Check that out. And if you haven't already, do me a huge favor, subscribe to my channel, smash that like button. It really helps us out. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Alright guys, we've got the Mortal Kombat moved into the workshop. And again, like I said, this video is just going to be a quick unboxing, and then I'm going to do a quick montage of me assembling it, and then we're going to go over all the specs and do a review on it in another video. So, enjoy.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me, and hold me in your arms again, flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me, and hold me in your arms.
Kombat's now assembled, so we're going to take this thing inside. I'm going to play some games on it, and once I've had a little bit of time with the machine, I'm going to come back with part 2, and I'll do a more in-depth review on the overall machine. Just really excited to get it in there. Another thing to note, you can buy a riser for the bottom of this, which will actually raise the whole machine up to a taller height. They're about $45. They're pretty nice, but at the end of the day, I've got my wood shop here, so I'm actually going to build a custom riser with some LED on there. So I'll do a video on that. So anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna